Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my project titled Real-Time Streaming Data Pipeline using Kafka and Spark Streaming. This project demonstrates how real-time data can be generated, streamed, processed, and stored using modern big data technologies. In this project, I built a streaming pipeline that generates user activity, sends it to Kafka, process it using Spark Streaming, store the process results in a database. The main technology used in this Python Apache Kafka, Apache Spark Structured Streaming, Docker. Now, let me explain each file. First, I will open docker compose.yml file. This file is used to define and run multiple services using Docker. Here we configure the containers for Kafka, Zookeeper, Spark, and the database. Using this file, we can start the entire streaming system with a single command. Next, I will be open into database.sql. This file contains the SQL commands that create the database tables required for storing the process string. And when the database container starts, this file initializes the database structure. Now I will open producer.py file. This file acts as the data producer. It simulates real-time user activity events such as page views, clicks, and session events. These events are generated continuously and sent to a Kafka topic in JSON format. Now I will open my requirements.txt. It is a text file. This file contains the Python libraries requires to run the producer script. It helps all dependents need for the project. Now I will open the Spark folder. Spark folder. Inside this folder we have main Spark streaming application. Now I will open my app app folder. In this folder, it contain main.py file and docker file and requirements text. This file contains the core project data preprocessing. It reads it reads streaming data from Kafka process. It using Spark structured streaming performs transformations and aggregations and then write the result to the database. Result to the database or and the data destination. This is the main component that handles real-time data preprocessing in the pipeline. Finally, I will show the Sparks log text file. This file contains logs generated by the Spark streaming application. It helps us monitoring the pipeline and debug any issue during processing. So overall, this project demonstrates how a complete real-time data pipeline can be built using Kafka for streaming. This is my README file in this real-time streaming data pipeline project. Spark for processing and a database for storing the results. Thank you.